The following EDUC 522 unit has been created for math and science audiences by Miss Bevy B Productions. Here is a message from our sponsors.
What is a simple machine?
There are 6 simple machines, and I've got a machine that uses all of them. Meet the pink machine.
There's levers to change directions. It's got racer-style wheel and axles.
How do you make it stop?
The pink machine stops at a dime with the lever, pulley, and wedge system. Sturdy screws to keep it together. We've even added an inclined bucket seat.
Now it's your turn to find more simple machines around you.
Welcome. Today we're going to look at a unit that will help students connect content to real-world applications. In this unit, students will gain an understanding of how ratios and fractions apply to science and engineering projects. For this unit, the focus will be on mechanical advantage ratios and simple machines. This cross-curriculum unit will cover a wide variety of standards. The primary target of learners will be 6th grade level students. Math standards that will be included will be ratio and proportional relationships, expressions and equations, and geometry standards. The objective will be for students to understand ratio concepts and use ratio reasoning to solve problems. They are to apply and extend their previous understanding of arithmetic to algebraic expressions and reason about and solve one-variable equation and inequalities.
And the most notorious for is the theory of multiple intelligences.
The foundations of this unit are rooted on Howard Gardner's multiple intelligences. Objectives, activities, and technologies were all chosen to address individual learner needs. My goal for this unit is to work with each student to develop their strengths and weaknesses. My hope is that by the end, we are successful at engaging and accessing deeper learning for all students. As part of the objectives, students will identify all 6 simple machines. They will determine force measurements and apply their understanding of ratios and fractions to determine mechanical advantage calculations. For this unit, there will be a strong focus on technology standards. Students will have to compose a design proposal for their Simple Machines project and share that document using Google Docs. They will also have to keep track of their project using a Gantt chart application called Timeline. Students will use Google Hangouts to communicate and collaborate not only with their fellow classmates, but also with industry professionals who can assist them with their research and be able to generate feedback on their projects. In this unit, there is a variety of different media that has been integrated into learning. Web-based video games like Chicago Museum's Simple Machines game or edheads.org will allow visual, logical, and interpersonal learners to access deeper learning through games that are more engaging. Kinesthetic and naturalists are going to enjoy Autodesk Tinkerbox because it allows them to manipulate different components and generate their own compound machines. Verbal and interpersonal learners are going to be able to access Instagram and Pinterest as a method of articulating their understandings of ratios and fractions and sharing that understanding with the masses. Musical learners are going to be encouraged to include sound as a method of their learning. Students will be gaining new 21st century and industry skills by using applications like Autodesk Inventor, SketchUp, and video blogging applications to document their experience. At the end of this unit, students will be able to create their own Rube Goldberg machine or compound machine and use ratios and mechanical advantage to inform their design. Quack, quack.